A federal judge struck another blow to the state's voter ID law this week, ruling the legislature's attempted fix does nothing to address the problems the courts have raised throughout the 6-year legal fight. Specifically, that Senate Bill 5 does not expand the list of IDs accepted at the polls, so minority groups had argued they'd still be disproportionately burdened. Further, the judge ruled Texas cannot be trusted to educate voters about changes to the law, given its efforts ahead of the 2016 elections that led to mass voter confusion. Attorney General Ken Paxton vows to appeal that ruling. Speaking of elections and Paxton, for that matter, with the special session now ended, lawmakers are turning their attention to the 2018 primaries. The Attorney General's wife, Angela Paxton, is considering a run for state Senate. The guidance counselor is looking at Senate District 8, a seat Plano Republican State Senator Van Taylor is expected to vacate soon to run for Congress. In other campaign news, U.S. Senator Ted Cruz and his Democratic challenger, Congressman Beto O'Rourke, are busy crisscrossing the state during their August break from D.C. Cruz largely passed on commenting on the president's latest controversies. On the other hand, O'Rourke had no problem going there.
Whether it's the potential collusion with the country of Russia or the obstruction of justice at the highest levels, the effort to intimidate those who are investigating and following the facts, and his tacit approval and, I would argue, even encouragement of those same white nationalists who are marching in Charlottesville, Virginia, I do not believe that he is fit to lead this country.
President Trump is not the only elected official using Twitter as an unfiltered news platform. Texas Governor Greg Abbott is an avid tweeter as well. This week, the Tribune took a closer look at the direct messages he's received and how they influence his executive decisions. The overall takeaway, the exchanges show Abbott rarely responds in writing, but at least in some cases, records suggest he may have taken those messages into consideration on gubernatorial appointments, even foreign policy matters. I'm Alana Rocha. Texas's two biggest cities have fewer police officers to protect their growing populations. Read more now online at texastribune.org.